Ooh, that's trippy. Hi. Today I'm going to IKEA and I wanted to bring you along with me because everybody loves IKEA. I don't particularly need many things. I need little bits of like storage containers, Anyway, I don't particularly need anything, but we're going anyway, so let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to my crew. So here we have a coat hanger, and here this is my makeup brushes. I like using this one to highlight, and then if I want to cut someone out of my life, I got these. I've got different ones to choose from.
Wow. Oh my god, I have these at home.
Yeah, me too. I steal them, and then I do little
I think they're
doodles.
free.
Yeah, but still, it gives me a rush.
Oh, this is a Coptic stitch method, everyone. I've made a book like this before.
That's really cool.
And it means that when you open it, whoop, it opens out flat.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you for teaching me that.
For learning you a thing.
Look, chair. I'm not loving this.
I think that you are magic. You know what font that is? It's Verdana, because I use that in my videos.
Oh yeah, that's right. Wait, no, isn't it Verdana?
Oh yeah.
It's Verdana.
I said Verdana, but I don't know.
Verdana? Oh.
Verdana.
I have an idea. Except my mom's a very practical person. She'd be like, it's too hard to clean. Like, how do you clean it? It's dusty. And I got the inspiration from myself.
Wow, that's really good. This is my art piece. It's a bit more abstract. As you can see, it's got a very high price.
The pink paper really
I called it for display only.
brings it to life, you know.
It's just vibes.
Not one friend, not two friends.
Alright, don't brag.
Me though. And why is it in Comic Sans font?
Because Comic Sans is dyslexia friendly.
Is it?
Yeah, that's why it's used in schools.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so you should make fun of it.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's actually really interesting.
Yeah.
What about it is
I don't know, it's like the shape of the letters.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's so... Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to.
The more
Sorry,
you know.
I'm just going to write an apology. Okay, guys, I didn't want to make this video. I offended some people.
I'm pretty sure it is. I'll have to fact check that. You weren't even like hidden from view. Try it again. Also, can we talk about the fact that we are matching shoes?
Except mine's more groovy because I got socks on.
Oh.
Hey Zoe, would you like a Fanta? Oh wait, just kidding. It's a camera. A film
Bitch,
camera.
what? Yeah, yeet. That's amazing. Thank you for showing and telling.
When I was a kid, I would take these and pretend that they were like dog leashes, so I'd be like, come on Toodles, come on. Alright.
We go this way? Hey, I'm back now. So after I went to IKEA, I actually had lunch with my friend Georgia.
Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial. This is how you decant the ginger. I learned it from Zoe. And then it's just one swift.
Oh, wow. That was
Subscribe
good.
for more tips and tricks. Our first date. I'm so excited to be here with you.
But now I'm back and I have to leave in an hour and a bit to go to something tonight, but before I do, I kind of want to fit in some drawing. I initially wanted this vlog to be like a drawing vlog, but the day has just gotten away from me and now I'm like, oh shit, I have no time. Don't mind the pile of clean washing. It's clean, so at least there's that. But I picked up an IKEA catalogue when I was there and I think I want to try and draw some stuff from here. Little scenes of bedrooms and stuff. I also took some photos when I was there because I don't often draw environments and like scenes. I usually just focus on like portraits or plants. That's kind of like my thing. But see, the problem is that I look at like a page like this and all I want to draw is this woman. I don't care about this, so I think I might try and draw some stuff. And this might be done over a couple of days because I really don't have a lot of time right now. But I wanted to just kind of like chill, take you guys along with me, draw some stuff. This is my pencil case. It's a Zaffle bag because I ordered something from them a very long time ago, and I was like, you know what? This bag has got a zippy thing, so I'm gonna use that. But I have these color erase pencils. Shout out to Scarlett who bought me a whole pack when she went to America / Canada. Yeah, these pencils are awesome. I used to only be able to buy singular ones in a couple of colors at an art store that I used to go to. But then yeah, she bought me a whole pack, and they're just like beautiful sketching pencils, I like to call them, because they're very like light. You can build up the color, but yes, I don't know where I'm going with that, but I'm gonna draw using these and see how we go. And I might also use Prismacolor Premieres, but we will see. And I got a new sketchbook as well. I'm trying out an A4 one, and I think last night I did some like little, I don't really like any of these. I feel like all I ever say is that I don't like these, but I swear I do stuff that I like. But these were just like straight from my brain as I was watching some YouTube, so they're pretty like weird. But I'm gonna start on this next page with my IKEA catalogue. Very on brand for me. Oh, that's right. I left it up here from when I filmed my sketchbook tour.
Me as I float, hands and feet drifting somewhere down below. For a moment, all my threads are tied away. For just a second, I stop. For a little while, all I see is endless sky, and it's okay. I feel okay. I feel okay. Just fine. It's a beautiful day to feel fine, an even better one to lose my mind.
Hey guys, I just got back from work today, so if you're wondering why it's suddenly nighttime, it's because it's actually the next day. But I'm still looking through the catalogue, still trying to find some spaces to draw. Even though a lot of these pictures are really cool, like this, I really like drawing people in spaces. people in environments, so I'm gonna try and find more of those, but if I can't, I will just be drawing the catalogue images.
For the night in the bathroom, they're passing time for the nights by, passing out. But why can't we dance when we're sober? Why can't we stand getting older? So here we go. I'm so over. Here we go. Getting sober. Yeah, I'm so over. Getting sober. I'm so over. Getting sober. I'm so over.
Good morning. So I'm done drawing from the catalogue for now, but I wanted to put together this, which I got yesterday. It's just a set of drawers, but you know, I love a challenge, and I can't think of anything else to say. Yeah, I know. My cat's just coming to join us. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to help? We got ourselves a spinny boy. Instructions. Another grate. More things. Wait, I need a screwdriver? I don't know if I have one of those. I mean, I probably do. Screwdrivers are lots of fun. I did not know I had one. Oh, screwdrivers are lots of fun. I love them, I love them, I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. Ah, I see. Wait, do I see? So tell me, how have you been? What's been happening with you? That's great to hear, Susan. Shit. So news with me, I got my 100,000 subscriber plaque, which is bonkers. Here's some footage of me opening that. Rick packaged this for me. Thank you so much, Rick. I really appreciate it. Zozzolini. As cool as, hi, I'm Zoe, and thank you. Subscribe. Hey. So I've had a couple of people ask me like, wow, you've hit 100K, like how does it feel? And I'm like, I don't believe it. And they're like, and I'm like, no, seriously, I don't believe that this is a real thing that's happening, and I can't even fathom how many 100,000 is. This screw is not going in. Why is this crooked? What the f is happening here? How have I managed to do this wrong? This is crooked. I'm not crazy, this is crooked. Let's read ahead. Let's use our logical reasoning and read ahead and see if it's supposed to be crooked. Yes, thank the Lord. Okay, I have to attach wheels at some point. I was about to call somebody, I don't know who. Actually, let's be real, I just would never do that. I don't know, I just feel like I should be like throwing this up, catching it and doing like a bit of a spin. Anyway, more screws, cool, that's awesome. This is just gonna be like half an hour of me going, trying to get these damn screws in. Oh my god. Wow. And yeah, I do not see the point of these wheels unless you like tip it up. It's like, see you later. Now we have drawers. I only have stuff in the first drawer because I'm sure I will find stuff to put in the second and the third drawer. But this is so ugly, but I'm not very good at cable management, as you can see. But out of my computer I have all these cords, and some of them go up and some of them go into here, and this is where I have like my power board. I mean, it's not the prettiest. I'll probably move it around a little bit, but at least it's more organized. And I hate having lots of stuff on my desk, so that's why I need to get more storage space that I can easily access. So that's there. That's all that we have today. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really love print publications, especially catalogs. I don't know why, but I've always kind of been a bit obsessed with them. So let me know if there's any like good ones that I should try and pick up somewhere to like have, but also draw from. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
And here we go.